How do I split a multi-line string into multiple lines? I have a multi-line string that I want to do an operation on each line, like so. I want to iterate on each line.
We'll give you a list with each item. The splitlines method is designed to split each line into a list element.
Like the other said, this is identical to the above, but the string module's functions are deprecated and should be avoided. Alternatively, if you want each line to include the break sequence, CR, LF, CRLF, use the splitlines method with a true argument.
Use input string.splitlines. Why splitlines is better? Splitlines handles new lines properly, unlike split. It also can optionally return the new line character in the split result when called with a true argument, which is useful in some specific scenarios. Why you should not use split\n. Using split creates very confusing bugs when sharing files across operating systems. \n in Python represents a Unix line break, ASCII decimal code 10, independently of the OS where you run it. However, the ASCII line break representation is OS dependent. On Windows, \n is 2 characters, CR and LF, ASCII decimal codes 13 and 10, \r and \n, while on modern Unix, Mac OS X, Linux, Android, it's the single character LF. Print works correctly even if you have a string with line endings that don't match your platform. However, explicitly splitting on \n has OS-dependent behavior. Even if you use os.linesep, it will only split according to the new line separator on your platform, and will fail if you're processing text created in other platforms, or with a bare \n. Splitline solves all these problems. Reading files in text mode partially mitigates the new line representation problem, as it converts Python's \n into the platform's new line representation. However, text mode only exists on Windows. On Unix systems, all files are opened in binary mode, so using split \n in a Unix system with a Windows file will lead to undesired behavior. This can also happen when transferring files in the network.
Might be overkill in this particular case, but another option involves using stringio to create a file-like object.